Next step with your sugar skull is after you've drawn it, you will add patterns and designs. You should think about making your designs out of shapes so that you can color them in. If I were just to make lines for my designs, it would be challenging to try to color them in because there's not a shape, there's just a line. I then traced over all of my lines with a Sharpie, and then I used a window to trace it onto the other side. So to do that, I took the side with the Sharpie, I turned that side against the glass of the window, and then that allowed me to see my lines through the paper, and I was able to trace it onto the other side. Then when I open up my paper, I have a symmetrical design. I'm going to double check and make sure that everything got traced. It looks like I got all of the different parts. And then I'm going to tape it to my piece of metal. When you tape it to the piece of the metal, you're going to be transferring it onto the metal, so you want to make sure that it's secure. So I suggest that you put a piece of tape at the top, and then also a piece of tape at the bottom. Make sure it's smooth and even. And then secure. Some of your metal might be gold on one side and silver on the other. Other people will just have all silver metal. The next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to take a pencil or a pen or a colored pencil and trace over my lines. So I have traced over all of my marker lines with my pencil, and that causes an indentation in the metal, and then it can transfer. Before I peel the tape off, I'm going to make sure that I traced over all my lines. As I peek underneath here, I can see that I missed the inside part of my eyes, these designs here. So I'm going to come back with my pencil and just retrace those. So I'm going to check one more time. Forgot these little dots. Got them on that side. Okay. And then I can peel off my metal. Or am I drawing off my metal? Carefully so I don't bend the metal. And the next step is I'm going to decide on my drawing what areas I want to chase and what areas I want to repose.